that, Bug?
Train.
Do you like that?
Oh, help.
Do you like your train track?
Help.
You want help? Okay. Ask Daddy if he can help you. Daddy, can you help him?
Help you. Help you.
Hello?
Help you.
Yeah, where you at?
Help you. See, I help you.
You're at the what?
I help you.
Okay.
I help you. I help you.
Thomas,
So, what are we bringing?
Sir Topham Hatt will talk now. Can you show Mommy your railroad track?
Alright.
Tyler?
You want me to bring burgers or anything? I have a couple. I only have like 6 burgers. I don't have a lot.
TJ, can you show Mommy your railroad track?
Alright, I gotta load up the cooler and then we'll go.
Is it hot?
Alright.
Why is your railroad track hot?
Track.
Alright.
Is there a storm blowing
Sounds
in?
good. Alright, bud.
What's this, Bug?
Track.
The one that Daddy has, Sir Topham Hatt, talks to you.
Are you kidding me?
What?
I gotta get a screwdriver now to get stuff out of cardboard?
Happy birthday, honey. We might as well leave it out because I'm sure this one's the same way. Do you want to include that in your train track, buddy? That tells the engines if they can stop and go. Red means stop, green means go.
Go, say go.
What's that, Bug?
Where's that book? Where?
It has a mountain.
I hope we have room.
Mountain.
Sorry.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry.
Oh wow, this is gonna get complicated. Hold on, bud.
Cool. Oh. Cool.
Daddy's like, but I got a game to get to.
Cool.
Why don't you move over here real quick? Come over here so Daddy... Alright, move over there. That's fine, that's fine.
Move. Move.
Please.
Thank you. Welcome.
Why do you keep doing that? Are you blowing out candles? What are you doing, Bug?
Tractor. Track.
Tractor? Maybe Mommy and Will and Tyler will get adventurous today and we'll take the extra Harold back and we'll get a car or something. Hey, Tyler. Do you want Mommy to take this out of the box for you too?
No.
Okay.
What's this? Wait.
Whee.
We go.
Oh, I gotta put batteries in this.
Oh, we have batteries.
Hold on.
Hold on.
That's why you have the screwdriver.
Party.
I'll get that.
So Tyler, do you like the Percy and Diesel that Will gave you? You know what that means, don't you? You're gonna have to share.
Sure I do.
Cold day in hell.